Vanessa. So, Vanessa, are you ready?
Yes, Kak Selin, I'm ready.
Oke, mantap. Alright, so go and share your screen and we can start. Let's go, Vanessa.
Okay, allow me to share my screen. Okay, all good.
Yep, all good.
Okay, thank you all for being today. And also thank you Kak Robin for attending my graduation presentation as my mentor. It's a pleasure to have the opportunity to share my experience and achievement during my internship at Bukit Vista. This internship has been an incredible learning journey, and I am excited to share you guys about what I have been working on. But first, let me start by introducing myself. My name is Vanes Pratama, and I'm currently pursuing my bachelor degree in information system at Multidata Palembang University. Throughout my academic journey, I've been always passionate with technology and its potential to solve the real-world problems. And this internship allowed me to put that passion into practice. Today, my presentation will cover several aspects, which project development, task, project, and result, what I have learned, and personal thoughts. Each section will provide a detailed insight into my contribution and experience during my time here. Let's dive into the first section, project development. This part of the presentation will highlight the main project that I work on, the technologies and tools that I use, and the development flow that I follow to achieve the project goals. The primary project I focused on was the development of a website called Bigger. This platform is used by employees, partners, and guests of Bukit Vista. Bigger includes several features such as booking calendar, guest data management, a list of properties, vendor information, partner interaction, and a lot more. The aim was to create a seamless and efficient user experience for all of users that involved. For this project, I used several technologies and tools. The front end was developed using React.js, which allowed me to create a dynamic and responsive user interface. And the back end was built with Express.js, providing a robust framework for our server-side operation. Additionally, I use Visual Studio Code as my primary code editor, browser, WSL2, Postman, TablePlus, Git, and GitHub project to streamline the development process. The development flow for this project consists of three main stages. The first one is implementing the design into code, but still using the dummy data, while waiting for the backend to be developed. This allows me to focus on the front-end functionality and user interface design. The second is integrating the backend with the front-end after the backend is ready. This stage involves ensuring the data flows smoothly between user and server, providing real-time updates and interaction. Sorry. The third one is conducting code review and final testing. I'm using test case and unit tests to ensure the reliability and performance of the application before it's deployed. By following this structured development flow, I be able to maintain a high standard of quality throughout the project. Moving on to the next section, we will explore the specific tasks that I am responsible for, the project I work on, and the result that I achieve. This section will provide a deeper understanding of my contribution and the impact of my work during this internship. The first one is vendor. Vendor is service provider that can offer extra service to guests, such as airport pickup, room or pool decoration, private chef service, massage, and etc. This involves third-party provider, as Bukit Vista does not own them but collaborates with them. Since there are many vendors and managing them is quite challenging, it's my task to make the extra service booking process easier. The task that I got assigned is create the vendor contract, vendor role, note, and bank account page. I also developed the update dialog for the vendor user account and implementing the endpoint version 2 for vendor contract, notes, and users. And for the result, I solved 13 issues, and employees now can manage vendor account and service without involving third-party platforms such as WhatsApp. The next one is property classification. Before this, the classification of properties was done manually by the operational team. Since Bukit Vista owns many properties, this process is like time consuming. Therefore, the engineers help by automating everything. My task is create the property classification list and details page. I also contribute to the backend by make the endpoint to be able to do the filtering by property. And for the result, the process of property classification is now automated and no longer done manually. The next one is booking calendar. The booking calendar is one of the pages that are always used for daily operation. So I made some enhancement to it, such as enhance the property filter dropdown, confirmation dialog, and the range component. And I also create a URL query params feature, so user can share the data on specific property or date. For the result, I solve 6 issues, speeding up the operational team performance, reduce the chance of human error when doing booking transfer, and improve the initial load by approximately 20%. The next one is property list. There is no new feature on this page, so I did some refactoring, such as refactoring the property list, property details, add and update property functionalities, because the old coding style is bad for performance and for future development. So for the result, I solved 6 issues and speeding up the initial load of property list page with a better code structure. The next one is listing list. It's quite similar as property list. I also done some refactoring for listing list, listing details, and for the result is also speed up the initial load and better code structure for the listing list page. The next one is some new features for the front end that I developed. Unit testing is crucial for project at industry level. So I developed the first working unit test for the front end, which was quite challenging. And I also developed the first image compression feature for the front end for every image uploaded. And for the result, this improved code coverage for the front end by minimizing edge cases, speed up the image upload process, and reduce server storage. I also did some technical enhancement for the project by replacing the icons package with material UI icons and successfully reduced the bundling size around 20%. And there is other tasks that I have done, such as I enhanced the login page and sidebar filter for mobile users. I improved the guest check-in list page by initial load faster by 20%. I made several adjustments to the front end for the new property, file upload endpoint, and various page. I create global hooks component for various functionalities. I fix numerous issues, including form validation, data fetching, and more. Overall, this task contributes significantly to improve the user experience and performance of the platform. In summary, during my internship, I solved 57 front-end issues and 10 back-end issues. I wrote and modified a substantial amount of code with the front end totaling over 26.6K line of code, and for the backend I wrote over 3K line of code. What I have learned. Moving on to the next section, I will share the valuable lesson and skills that I acquired during my internship at Bukit Vista. During this internship, I have learned a lot of things, such as agile software development. I have learned a fundamental of agile methodologies, which focus on interactive development, collaboration, and adaptability. Working on an agile environment, and I participate in sprint planning, daily stand-up, and retrospective meetings. This approach taught me that importance of flexibility and continuous improvement. Developing both the front end and back end at the same time helped me understand that uh, it needs effective communication between this part of project. The second is design pattern. Throughout my tasks, I implement various design pattern that are crucial for writing maintainability and scalable code. One significant pattern that I focus is creating custom hooks for each page and section. This practice allow me to encapsulate logic and state management efficiently. Understanding and applying these patterns improve my ability to solve complex problems and write cleaner and organized code. Last but not least, uh, code complex project structure. Working on large-scale project like bigger exposed me to complex project structure on both front end and back end. On the front end, I deal with comprehensive component hierarchy, state management, and routing. On the back end, I navigate through various modules, service, and database interaction. This experience enhanced my problem-solving skill. I had to understand how different parts of application interact and ensure seamless integration. It also taught me that importance of adhering to best practice and maintain a high level of code quality in a collaborative environment. Overall, this experience have significantly contributed to my growth as full stack web developer. They have equipped me with skills and confidence to tackle complex projects and continue advancing in my career. Moving on, about my personal thoughts. Reflecting on my internship experience, I realized how much I have grown as a developer. The opportunity to work on real-world projects have been invaluable. I have gained practical skills and knowledge that extend beyond that I learned in classroom. This experience has solidified my passion for web development and has motivated me to continue improving and learning. This is because all of these three peoples. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to several mentors who have made this internship a remarkable experience. Pavidi, thank you for being an excellent leader and for always providing help and guidance for every milestone project. Kak Abam, as my daily front-end supervisor, his code reviews and feedback have been incredibly valuable and have helped me a lot, improving my skills significantly. And Kak Robin, thank you for detailed code review and valuable feedback as my backend supervisor. And also thank you for all of the engineers, marketing, operation, finance. You are the best. Thank you. That's it for my graduation presentation. Thank you for listening my presentation. It has been a pleasure to share my internship journey with you guys. I'm grateful for the opportunity to contribute to Bukit Vista and look forward to applying what I have learned to my future project. My name is Vanes, signing out from Bukit Vista. Thank you forever. Back to you, Kak Shalin.
All right, mantap, Vanes. Thank you for the presentation just now. I think it was really amazing to see how much projects that you are involved in, as well as the achievement, as well as there's quite a lot of things that you have learned as well along the way. So All right, cool. I'd like to also welcome Ibu Yulisia for coming into the room and as well as to watch Vanessa's presentation just now. Later on, we'll call you a bit, yeah. So maybe we can hear a bit from your side as well. All right. Okay. So maybe in the meantime, I'd like to call out the engineering team members who are actually present over here. So maybe I can call out to Robin first as Vanessa's mentor, like during the internship. Maybe to say a few words about like your working experience with Vanessa.
Okay. Vanessa, as today is your last day with us, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude for your hard work and dedication. You have made invaluable contribution to our project. Your efforts have helped us overcome many challenges, and your presence in the team has been greatly appreciated. Good luck, anak muda.
Thank you, Kak.
Okay, the tagline "Good luck anak muda" ya. That's a really good closing ya, Robin ya. Okay, thank you so much, Robin. Okay, then probably next, maybe we can go to Abam. Actually, Abam here as the senior front-end developer. Technically, Vanes senior in this case. So maybe you can say a little bit about Vanes over here.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity, Kak Selin. Hello again, Vanes. We miss you so much, Vanes. Oh my God. 1 week without Vanes is a lot of chaos. Anyway, thank you, Vanes, for contributing to Bukit Vista, for becoming one of our front-end developer with me, accompany me to develop many features to help me also. Yeah, I also learned a lot from you. Vanes is really fast at adapting to the new pattern, to the new uh, what kayak the new apa ya namanya kerjaan lah itu intinya. Jadi it's very fast in adapting uh, and delivering the task, I think. And yeah, it's very good. It's very good. And yeah, like I said, we miss you so much. It's been 1 week, but yeah. The last thing is, yeah, I just want to say thank you to Vanes and good luck for your next journey, Vanes. Thank
Thank you,
you,
Kak.
Vanes.
Alright, thank you Abang. Okay. Udah pada kangen ya. Okay, it's just a couple of days, but yeah, the engineering team has already missed you, yeah, Vanes. So, okay, thank you, Abang. And okay, maybe to Vivi as the VP of engineering, maybe you'd like to say a couple of words to Vanes here.
Okay, hello Vanes. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Good, sir. Sir. You never call me sir, man. What the hell? Anyway, Vanes. Yeah, Vanes. Front end wise, even like starting from trials, Robin already marked this candidate as one of the potential candidates. So he mentioned that usually during our trials, not a lot of candidates will be able to complete the task given by Robin. But Vanes are one of those few candidates that are able to complete the task, even given like an extra task for trial. So that's already a good sign since the beginning. And if I remember correctly, Vanes also applied not only in front end but also for back end and front end. And that is why during the few months before his internship ends, he also is involved in the back end development bigger, and that speeds up things a lot. Yeah, Vanes. Yeah, you do the back end yourself, and then you do the front end yourself, so that speeds things up a lot as well. And hopefully, the internship actually gives you experience on like the framework and also design patterns that we have in our company, and you can apply it in your other fields. And Vanes, just like Vidya, is also one of these candidates who we offered somewhat of a position. But then Vanes mentioned that if he want to focus on the academic side of things, because he have spent last semester as well, the previous semester, in doing a non-academic course. So he still have a lot of mandatory course, yeah, Vanes, yeah. So let's see, yeah, if Vanes is already completed his mandatory course, maybe we'll get in touch again in the future. Right, Vanes? Right?
Right.
Right. Okay. Quite not sure, yeah. But hopefully Vanes had a great experience with us in Bukit Vista, not only like the technical side of things, but also non-technical, because Vanes is also involved in a lot of non-technical things during the like on hands-on operations and all that. He's also one of the people who actually does operations pretty well based on the evaluation of the operations team. Very dedicated in providing the best service and also features for the users. So thank you very much, Vanes, and congratulations on completing your internship in Bukit Vista.
Thank you, Ko.
Yo, nah, ko, usually call me ko, huh? Not sir, huh?
Oke, sepertinya dia salting tadi ya, makanya dipanggil sir ya. Biasanya kan koh langsung. Alright, thank you, Vidi, for the words ya, for Vanes. So ya, looking forward ya, Vanes. Don't be surprised if the HR team contacts you in the next couple of months. Alright. Okay, so that's from the engineering team. So, and then next, I'd like to give the time and space into to Bu Yulistia. So, silakan Bu, mungkin ada sepatah dua patah kata yang ingin disampaikan ya.
Ya, mungkin mohon maaf ini lagi di luar kantor, jadi mungkin kalau ada suara-suara yang agak berisik. Dari Universitas NDP, prinsipnya mengucapkan terima kasih kepada perusahaan yang sudah menerima Vanes untuk bisa magang ya di sana, dan tentunya jika memang ada good experience with our student, of course we would really appreciate if he can be joined as a permanent team in the company, but of course with lots of consideration. Jadi untuk Vanes, selamat ya, sudah selesai programnya dan segera kembali ke kampus untuk melakukan kegiatan lainnya. Saya selaku pembimbing akademik mengucapkan banyak terima kasih untuk semua tim yang ada di sini dan juga untuk Vanes khususnya. Semoga kedepannya nanti bisa memberikan banyak hasil karya lagi, baik untuk perusahaan maupun untuk masyarakat. Mungkin itu saja, nggak pakai panjang-panjang. Terima kasih untuk semuanya.
Baik, terima kasih Ibu Yulistia ya atas sambutannya mungkin sedikit ya. Oke, sudah dan juga sudah menyempatkan waktunya juga untuk hadir di presentasi